Hi, Michael here from Ardor Projects. We're here at Club Lime Torquay at their 24-hour gym, and we've got an awesome site that we've just completed. It's over 920 square meters, and on the second level with views out every side of the building, and especially out front we've got ocean views. Now, just going to give you a quick rundown on some of the projects. We did have a couple of challenges, one being that we're up on a high level, so trying to get materials in was a real challenge, but we overcome that with having materials good lift, where we basically took out a number of windows, bolted on that exterior lift, and that was via Aussie lift and shift. They were great to work with, and that allowed us to bring over 200 pallets of material up the lift and into the building. We then had to stage each area of the build accordingly, just because we had so much stock in here. We had to build, then remove rubbish, get that out, new material in, and just keep the build moving. So we overcome that, but part of this other concern was, or challenge was, that below us we've got clients that we've got to be mindful of for noise and vibration. And now I'll hand over to Reese, who'll explain a little bit more about what we did for a flooring system to overcome that.
Hey guys, Reese from Embelton here. I'm the graduate engineer who worked on the isolated floating floor system here at Club Lime Torquay. So we've got a couple of residences downstairs which we need to be mindful of with any vibration that might be transferring from the gym floor here downstairs. So I've implemented an NXS 14 floating floor system which uses these NXS 14 spring mounts. And basically what we've done is we lay those out in the grid, put the floor on top, and then that'll isolate any vibrations from transferring from any weight drops or footfalls down to the residences below. And we've also got some CP800 treadmill platforms. So the reason we use these instead of just putting them on the spring floor is because sometimes you can get some rocking with the springs if you've got people running on the treadmills. So we just have these placed separately from the floor on individual platforms, and that also gives the option for the gym to move them around in the future if they'd want to. So one of the challenges we experience with this particular job is that usually when we're installing a gym floor, we've got walls around the entire perimeter, and we can just butt the floor up against that and don't need to worry about making the edges look nice. But in this instance, we've got individual floors throughout the gym which are isolated, and we've needed to develop a curved edge detail, which was something that we've only done maybe once or twice before, but it's turned out really nicely, as you can see. One other thing about the gym and the layout for here is all the different platforms in the different areas. It's all broken up between polished concrete in one area, then you've got turf, then you've got rubber, then we've got the platforms as well. So it is quite a unique gym, and just the materials and the finishes, just really proud of. I think Club Lime's made great selections, and it's just really a great place to come work out. So come on. In closing, just want to thank Club Lime for the opportunity to make this build happen, and also just, what a great experience it was with so many different products, so many different opportunities to bring in the likes of Embelton and other trades. And in closing, just, thanks Reese, appreciate the time and the opportunity to work with you. It was great. It was a good opportunity to come see a project. It's my first project that I've worked on start to finish through, the project design and some of the sales elements. So it's been really nice to come see the gym in the flesh. It's been great.
Excellent. Thank you.
Cheers.